For our learning log today, we're going to set up this graphic organizer. So take a second to draw this on your page. As we fill in this graphic organizer, we want to think about what does the solution to an inequality or a system of inequalities mean? Does it matter if the inequality has one variable or two? And then we're also going to think about this for equations. So it's important to remember that with one variable, okay, we are talking about a specific value. Okay, most of the time we're solving for x, and that means when we solve, it will give us our x-intercept. A way that we can solve is by setting both equations equal to each other. After isolating the y, that is. Okay, we also can set each side equal to y and create a system and find the intersection points. And again, we just care about our x value. So it's just one specific value. Now with an inequality, it is a range of x values because we're going to be using our inequality signs. And again, we can find these in the same way as over here. Except we're going to use a number line to find our shaded area, which is where our solutions fall. So I'll put solution interval. Now a system, when we have two variables here, to solve, we're looking for intersection points. So we want both an x and a y. So we can do this by simply graphing the system, or we can solve for one variable by setting the equations equal. And then plug in to find the other variable. So this is algebraically. I'm just going to write graph for graphically because that's kind of our easier way. Now the difference with inequalities is we are looking for the intersection or the intersected shaded areas. We call these overlaps. So we want to find that whole area where solutions fall, because again, it's a range or an interval. So we can, again, graph, or we can do this solving and then create our solution interval. So we would have just two shaded overlapping areas.